Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we have learned the lesson. What, children? Which lesson? Children, which lesson? Good morning to everyone. Save the earth. So, yesterday which lesson we have started? That is save the earth. So, today continuation I will give. For you to continuation I will do. Okay, that is our 15th lesson of our science. సో దట్ ఈస్ సేవ్ ద ఎర్త్. సో మన యొక్క ఎర్త్ని ఎలా కాపాడుకోవాలని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎస్టర్డే హీ టోల్డ్ సమ్ హౌ టు నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ట్రీస్ అరౌండ్, మన యొక్క చుట్టుపక్కల ట్రీస్ని పెంచాలి. మళ్ళీ సేవింగ్ ద ఎర్త్, ప్లాంట్ మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ట్రీస్ అని చెప్పాడు. కంట్రోల్ ఫ్యూర్ ఫియర్స్, మళ్ళీ కన్జర్వేటింగ్ వాటర్ కూడా మనం చదివాం. హౌ వి విల్ కన్జర్వింగ్ వాటర్ ఎలా చేసాం, వీ హ్యావ్ read it. Okay, conservation of water, conserving water. ikkada conserving forest we have read, conserving water. So always never pollute a source of water by bathing or cloth it. So yesterday given for you here a small format to assess which one is better. This one is very better, so you have to discuss which. Why? Because here ఇఫ్ వి టేక్ పైప్తో మనం పోస్తే చాలా ఎక్కువ వాటర్ వేస్ట్ అవుతాయి. అదే ఇలా జాలీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ లైక్ బీకర్ టైప్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఓవర్ విత్ దట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ లెస్ అండ్ ద వాటర్ విల్ బి వెరీ సేఫ్. నౌ కన్జర్వింగ్ ఫ్యూయల్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఎస్, ఫ్యూయల్స్. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫ్యూయల్స్ వీ విల్ యూజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ డైలీ, సో దట్ ఆర్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఫ్యూయల్స్. Turn off lights and electrical appliances when you do not need them. మనకు అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడే లైట్స్ అయినా ఎలక్ట్రికల్ అప్లియన్సెస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మనకు అవసరం ఉన్నంత వరకే యూస్ చేసుకొని వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ వెన్ వీ డోంట్ వీ షుడ్. అది మనకు అవసరం లేనప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి, టర్న్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. డు నాట్ లీవ్ కంప్యూటర్స్ ఆర్ టీవీ ఆన్ వెన్ నాట్ ఇన్ యూజ్. సో చాలామంది మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, మర్చిపోతారు. వై మీరు ఎలా మర్చిపోతారు? సో టీవీ ఆన్ చేస్తారు, మీ పనిలో మీరు ఉంటారు. సో కంప్యూటర్ కూడా ఆన్ చేసి మీ పనిలో మీరు ఉంటారు. సో యూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ లైక్ దట్. వై? బికాస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి అలా ఉండి పిక్చర్ ట్యూబ్స్ విల్ బి అగైన్ ద కరెంట్ బిల్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వేస్ట్. కరెంట్ ఆల్సో విల్ వేస్ట్ అండ్ ద టీవీ ఆల్సో విల్ బి స్పాయిల్, అంటే ఖరాబ్ అయిపోతుంది. యూజ్ ప్రెషర్ కుక్కర్ టు కుక్, ఇట్ సేవ్ గ్యాస్. యూ నో ఎవ్రీవన్ ప్రెషర్ కుక్కర్ అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళకి తెలుసు. Nowadays they are using so much of pressure cookers only. So why? Because less gas, more fastly work. If we ride in a same car without our friends, it is called carpooling. So మన యొక్క ride in a same car with our friends, it is called as carpooling. This way we can save fuel and reduce air pollution. మనం ఇలాంటి కొన్ని పాటిస్తే మనం ఫ్యూయల్ అండ్ హియర్ ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్, గాలి యొక్క పొల్యూషన్ మనం తగ్గించవచ్చు. దీస్ వే వీ కెన్ సేవ్ అంటే ఇలాంటి ఒక కొన్ని చేస్తే టర్న్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్స్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ అప్లియన్సెస్ వెన్ యూ డూ నాట్ నీడ్ దెమ్. అవసరం లేనప్పుడు టర్న్ చేయాలి. కంప్యూటర్స్, టీవీస్ ఆన్ చేయొద్దు అవసరం లేనప్పుడు. నెక్స్ట్ మనకు ప్రెషర్ కుక్కర్లో యూస్ చేయాలి. ఇవన్నీ కొన్ని సేవ్ చేయడానికి మన యొక్క రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ పొల్యూషన్. Do not leave the refrigerator door open or put hot food in it. So ikkada all of you know refrigerator ante fridge. డోర్ ఊకే ఓపెన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కొంతమంది. ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు చిన్న పిల్లలు. ఇన్ మై హౌస్ ఆల్సో మై స్మాల్ shaytans always they will open close they will do. You should not do like that, because if we do like that, here the hot food in it, you should not at all open, because whatever we put a hot food in it, we should do not leave the refrigerator door. Okay, turn off lights in staircases or corridors when there is enough natural light. Turn off light ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ కారిడార్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. సో అవసరం ఉన్నంతసేపు మాత్రమే వేసుకోవాలి. అవసరం లేనప్పుడు we should turn off it, అంటే ఆఫ్ చేసేయాలి. స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ignition of your vehicles at traffic lights. Switch off the ignition of your vehicles at traffic lights. Switch off the ignition in the traffic lights. So ikkada traffic lights is there. When you are going your vehicle, you have to stop it. Okay, switch off it. Next, pollution free environment. So here is these two are there, free from environment. So here give below are two pictures, look at them carefully and write down what you see. So here this is a air pollution, land pollution. So you have to write here 117 page number. So here it is a homework for you in the textbook. This one you have to write in. Idi miru rayali. Okay. This one you have to write, children. Okay. In the dashes you have to write what is. Here now I explained the pollution gurunchi, air pollution. I explained for you soil pollution, water pollution, cutting down the air pollution. Ee rendu what it are there. So discuss and write what it is. It is a pollution or what? How the road is. The first picture lo road ela undi, the full of garbage and the car is going, so much of air pollution. Next year it is a very good environment and trees, and the car is going with the less fuel. Pollution refers to any activity carried out by humans. Pollution refers to any activities carried out by humans which harm to air, water and land. So here whatever the pollution is refers to any activity the humans are doing the harms on air, water or land. Substances or gases which are called pollution are called pollutants. So whatever the substances and gases which are polluting, so here pollution ni corrupt chesevanni, they are pollutants, known as pollutants. So way to reduce pollution. So now conserving fuel అయిపోయింది. So తర్వాత how to reduce. So I given for you small homework, do it children. How the ways to reduce pollution ni ela takku cheyali. Okay, how we have to reduce, ela takku cheyali oka pollution ni. Encourage the use of pollution free modes of transport like cycle, rickshaw and bicycle. So here he is telling to encourage. Nowadays who will listen? Cycle మీద తీసుకపోండి అంటే no, shame off for me. So nowadays from the 6th class children also, the 6th class పిల్లలు కూడా, the children 6th class children, they also from 6th to 10th, whoever there, they are also riding the bike. If they come with the bicycle, they will be shame. So nowadays what he is telling to encourage in the few ఇవి పొల్యూషన్ ని తగ్గించాలంటే ఏం లేదు, ఎంకరేజింగ్ అంటే వాళ్ళకి మనం డూ దిస్ థింగ్. సో మనం వాళ్ళకి చెప్పాలి ఏమని, మనకు పొల్యూషన్ తగ్గాలంటే bicycle, rickshaws. So nowadays no one will listen, but we have to do that it. Use of loudspeakers should be restricted and vehicles should avoid using the horn unless necessary. It can reduce noise pollution. So ikkada first one, it is a pollution, air pollution, gali pollution. When we less the vehicles, here loudspeakers, ekkuga loudspeakers will be there. So here we have to keep restricted and vehicles should avoid using the horns unnecessarily horns kodtaru. So wherever there is not necessary also they will horn. So that also we have to reduce. So it can reduce noise pollution. So first one is, it is air pollution. So second one is noise. So here air pollution and noise pollution. So here if we want to reduce, we have to do this all. Okay, we can reduce this noise pollution by loudspeakers and strict vehicles horn. Okay, use CNG as a fuel in vehicle as it causes less pollution than diesel. So we have to, nowadays we will use petrol, diesel, CNG gas anedi it is coming to the vehicles. So if you use CNG gas, it will be reduced, ఎక్కువగా పొగ vehicles నుంచి పొగ తగ్గుతుంది. Okay, Every factory should have a water cycle plant to treat water before it releasing into the water bodies. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫ్యాక్టరీలో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వేస్టేజ్ దే విల్ బి సెంట్ ఇన్ ద రివర్స్ అండ్ పాండ్స్. సో దే షుడ్ ఓన్లీ ప్రిఫర్, వాళ్ళే ఒక వాటర్ బాడీస్ని దే హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ to send whatever the wastage is there. So he is telling here way to reduce pollution. So pollution ni manam tagginchadaniki ivanni cheyali, you have to do it, he is telling. So if we do, we will be very good. Cycle are very popular in advanced countries like Denmark. So cycle is chala popular in Denmark. So encourage the use of pollution, use of free modes transport like cycle, rickshaws and bicycles. Use of loudspeakers should be restricted and vehicles should avoid using the horn unless necessary. It can reduce noise pollution. Use CNG as a fuel when in vehicles as it causes less pollution than diesel. Every factory should have a water recycling plants to treat water before it releases into the water bodies. So here we have completed the lesson, that is save the earth. So saving our earth is very important. Why? Because if we want to live, so overall 8 planets, the earth is only the planet we have life. ఇవన్నీ మనం రెడ్యూస్ చేసి we have to stay. మనం బ్రతకాలంటే we have to save our earth. So here we have we should not cut trees. Okay, so here we have to conserve whatever conserve is there, we have to do that all. About water, it may be forest, it may be fuel, it may be reducing the pollution. So here we completed the lesson. You also once again go through it, మీరు కూడా చదవండి. You also read the lesson. So it is very easy when you read. So when you listen my lesson in the class, whatever is there, so if we listen carefullyగా మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే లెసన్ని వింటారో that will be very good for you. Why? Because the concentration keeping of your mind in the lesson or teacher, whatever she is telling, that is a very better for you. There is no need to again go through twice. బట్టి కొట్టడం అవసరం ఉండదు. లెసన్ చదివారనుకో, wherever you go you can give the answers. So here we will move to the summative assessment. Okay, summative and formative assessment. So now we completed the lesson. Now next we have to complete the fill in the blanks. So choose the correct answers. Whatever the lesson will be there, we have to complete it. Yes or no? Yes. So now the first bit, as usual it is about the question and answers. Okay, so as usual this is about the question answers. Okay, here this is the last lesson we have been completed, children. Okay, this is the last lesson, 3rd class students. You have been completed this all. So here this is also last lesson. So once I will explain for you this one again. So you have to do this one homework. Okay, you have to do the homework. And now, what is a forest? Forest means what? A place where trees grown naturally is called forest. A place where a trees grown naturally is a forest. Write the importance of the forest. Forests are very important. Here, forests are very important resource because we get fruits, medicine, firewood and timber from them. They play a major role in the making the air clean. They protect the soil as they bind the soil particles together. How can we conserve forest? We can conserve forest by taking the following steps. A plant more and more trees, controlling forest fire, impose a strict ban on cutting uproots of tree in forest, recycle, use papers carefully, write some ways to conserve water. Water can be conserved by taking the following steps. Never pollute source of water. Do not waste water. Do not drain sewages and wastewater into the source of water. Construct dams and barrages to store excess water during the rainy season. E. Next, construct rainwater harvesting by pits on enriched groundwater level. Fifth one, how can we reduce pollution? The following are some ways to reduce pollution. Use pollution-free mode of transport. Restrict use of loudspeakers and vehicle horn can be reduced sound pollution. Use CNG as a fuel to reduce air pollution. Recycle the wastewater from the factories before it released into the water bodies. The sixth question is distinguish between pollution and pollute. So here is asking, so pollution refers to any activities carried out human which are harm the air. Water is land. Substances or gases which causes pollution is called pollutants. So next, the fill in the blanks. Now we will move. This is the last lesson of the class 5th. So first one is dash purify the water, air, trees. So dash purify the air. Air ni purify చేసేది ఏంటిది? చెట్లు, trees. So first I write the answers. Taps, gas. Fourth one, vehicles. So dash purify, trees purify the air. Turn off the taps so that they do not drip. Use pressure cooker to save gas. Switch off the ignition of your vehicle. Ignition of your vehicle at traffic light. Use CNG as the fuel in our vehicles. So next we are moving to the true or false. Next, which one here I am moving to the true or false. True or false loki manam vellipotunnam ippudu. So write down in your textbooks whatever I am writing in the blackboard. Forest protect soil as they behind soil particles together. Yes or no? True. The first one is true. The second one is false. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is true. So here, forests protect the soil as they behind the soil particles together. True. Do not plant more and more trees. False. Rainwater should be harvested. True. Do not turn off lights and electric appliances when not required. False. Pollution is any activity carried out by human which harms to the air and water. Yes, true. So these are the true or false we have been completed. Here, children, everyone listen. Here we have completed the 3rd class science also. So here, write on your own words what we should do to save our environment. So a small homework, bit number D. Children, everyone do this bit number D in the textbook, okay? In the textbook you do. This is a page number 1112. So here, once I will sing, read the poem he is telling. Once I will, for you I will read. Save the trees, keep your house and surroundings clean. Just recycle, recycle, recycle. Save the earth, it is easy to do. Just recycle, recycle, recycle. Your trash and my trash is lot of trash. Save the earth, it is easy to do. మన యొక్క భూమిని కాపాడుకోవడానికి ఈజ్ టెల్లింగ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ అవర్ సరౌండింగ్స్ క్లీన్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు సేవ్ ద ఎర్త్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు డూ. జస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రీసైకిల్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రస్ట్ అండ్ ట్రస్ట్ టు every save to earth. Save the earth, easy to do. Just again recycle, recycle. Share with this your mom, share with this your dad, tell to your friends, everyone. Save the earth, it is easy. Yes, recycle. So you write this poem also, okay? So write the poem too. Here things to do poem undi, adi kuda raayandi. It is very easy poem. So today the Children, we completed the third class science also. So here, how many lessons? 15 lessons are there. Unit 1 lo, our need food we eat, water and earth, save water, earth, air, clothes. Second unit lo, living and non-living things, our surroundings lo, plants around us, food and feeding habitat of animals, birds. Next, unit 3, our body, our sense organs, the body system. The fourth unit, the solar system. Unit 5, Mother Earth, that is our earth, weather and climate, save the earth. These are the unit 5, 15 lessons we completed. So here formative assessment, summative assessment kuda unnai. So this is the end of our third class. So ikkada konni formative assessment. Next meeku cheppanu, that is the planets, Mercury, Sun. It is you have to write this all. So if you whenever you get the time, you have to complete the summative and formative assessment. So today, that is the last lesson, that is the 15th lesson, save the earth. Mana yoka bhumini ela kaapadali, to reduce whatever I told for you, you have to do that all. Okay children. So now I will stop my lesson, and today I will completed the third also, science. So from today you also take care and do whatever in this I didn't complete the question answers, you do that from the lesson. So thank you very much children.